Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is unresolved. It is spelt U-N-R-E-S-O-L-V-E-D. Think and then solved. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Unresolved means not settled or not having a clear conclusion. It's a good word to use when you want to talk about a situation, problem, or conflict that has yet to be solved or settled. For example, you could say, the case was unresolved and the police couldn't find the perpetrator. Or, he had an unresolved conflict with his classmate and it affected their work. The word unresolved comes from the Latin word unresolutus, which means not settled, referring to something that has yet to be solved or settled. The same as today. In The Lion King, Simba runs away after his father is killed by Scar, leaving the issue unresolved. Years later, Nala finds Simba and convinces him to return and resolve the conflict with Scar. Synonyms for unresolved are unsolved, open-ended, pending, and inconclusive. Antonyms for unresolved include resolved, settled, closed, and concluded. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Unresolved. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.